Welcome back, everyone, to the Vegan Lifestyle blog and our exciting series, The Doctors Are In. This is episode 6, and we are continuing our deep dive into the life-changing principles of the NEWSTART acronym. I'm so glad you're here with us today. Before we jump into today's topic, let's do a quick recap of what we've already covered. In previous episodes, we explored the first 4 letters of NEWSTART. N for nutrition, the building block of vibrant health through whole, plant-based foods. E for exercise, the importance of staying active to maintain physical and mental well-being. W for water, the elixir of life. Hydration keeps every system in your body working at its best. S for sunlight, that wonderful source of vitamin D that also uplifts our mood and energizes our bodies. Each of these principles lays the foundation for holistic health. If you missed those episodes, be sure to check them out. We'll link them in the description below. Today we're moving on to the letter T, which stands for temperance. Now, what exactly does temperance mean in the context of health and lifestyle? In essence, it's about balance and self-control. It's the practice of moderation in all that is good and the complete elimination of that which is harmful. Let's break this down a bit more. Temperance encourages us to step back and evaluate what we're consuming. Not just our food, but also our habits, emotions, and thoughts. When it comes to diet, this means cutting out harmful substances like processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. It also means avoiding things like alcohol, tobacco, or any substances that damage our bodies over time. On the flip side, temperance reminds us to use even good things in moderation. For example, while plant-based fats from nuts and seeds are incredibly nutritious, consuming them in excess can lead to an imbalance in our diet. Likewise, exercise is fantastic for us, but overtraining can put unnecessary strain on the body. Temperance is about finding that sweet spot where we can thrive without excess or harm. So, why is temperance so important for a vegan lifestyle, or any healthy lifestyle for that matter? It helps us create a sustainable approach to wellness. By practicing temperance, we protect our bodies, honor our health, and maintain the energy we need to live out our fullest potential. It's about freedom. Freedom from the chains of harmful habits, and freedom to embrace a life of vitality. I'd love to hear how you practice temperance in your own life. Share your tips, stories, or questions in the comments below. That wraps up today's episode of The Doctors Are In. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode, where we'll discuss the next life-changing principle in the NEWSTART acronym, Pure Air. Remember, your journey to health is a journey worth taking, step by step, principle by principle. Thank you for watching, and until next time, your health, your choice.